Good afternoon folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's safe, hope everybody's well, and welcome to another video. Now, the purpose of today's video really is to share with you a couple of bargains which I managed to acquire over the Christmas and New Year period. So without further ado, without further waffle, I'll spin the camera around, okay. So this then is another bargain which I purchased over the festive and New Year period, and this is a Guild, that's the brand name, a sack barrow. Now this is a heavy duty one and it can carry a maximum weight of 90 kilos, which is a substantial amount. I'll do the conversion to stone and pounds. I'll put that on the screen. Now this, I was really quite excited when I saw this. The normal price is about 42 quid. I got it for £25 from Argos, so that represents a discount of about 40%, which is a really good discount. I mean, look, we always want stuff cheaper, we always want more discount, don't we? But sometimes we just got to be grateful for what we've got. So this beautiful bit of kit is a Wenger Ranger grip. I can't remember what model number, but they are still available. I'll put the model number on the screen. So as we can see, a little bit of assembly is required, but I don't think it's going to be anything major. Probably just a case of putting the wheels on, actually. So these wheels then are solid. You don't have to put air in them. Lovely. The old instructions. And one of the first things, you know, which becomes apparent when you get hold of this thing is the weight. It's got a really nice reassuring weight to it and it just feels absolutely solid. So I think this is going to be a super bit of kit, I really do. And for 25 quid, I again think this is an absolute bargain. And the other thing is, you do see this sort of thing advertised as a festival barrow, and they're marketed for people who go to festivals. You know, they want something to move their booze around, don't they? But they typically, the prices tend to be around about 30-35 quid, and when you look at them, they're nothing like as robust as something like this. Now, I believe this deal is still available. It's from Argos, like I say, 25 quid. Has a 2-year guarantee, and this really does look like a beautiful solid bit of kit. So the frame then, I believe, is made of aluminium, and this plate here is made of steel, and this really is robust. This really does appear to be a lovely bit of kit. So what we'll do, look, we'll put these wheels on and then see how we get on with it. But I just want to have a quick look at the instructions first, although I can't really see it being particularly complex. But, you know, let's just have a quick look anyway, shall we? So this then looks really straightforward. Just turn this thing around. So as we can see then, we've got this spacer, we've got a couple of washers, and then we have this little locking pin here. So we need to keep these in that configuration. The wheel goes between the two spacers, and we need to put the locking pin in again. So it's really straightforward, and it appears that this, if we look at both sides of this, look, it appears that this goes on the outside according to the diagram. So first thing we need to do then, we need to undo these locking pins. So we need to straighten them out and give them a pull. Lovely jubbly. Same on the other side. Okay. I mean, look, it really doesn't get any easier than this. So this wheel needs to go between these two washers, like so, and then just put the pin back in. And then you need to just bend it out, look, so it doesn't fall out. Bend it over like that. Beautiful. And the same on the other side.